Resetting user's password is really a very simple and straightforward task that every one of us was doing and keep doing that until now, and will keep doing this in the future. So to reset a user password in G Suite, all we have to do is either click this icon here, or we can go inside the user profile and we'll find the same icon there, and we can use it to reset the password. So let's check inside the user profile first, because before resetting the user password, I'll take the chance to show you also the password strength monitor. We'll go to show more, and then we'll check security, and there is the password strength. As you can see now, my password I'm using is very weak password. It tells you the length of the password and the strength rating. So this is a good chance for you to see the user's passwords. There is another place you can see the password strength for every user, so you can know who is having a weak password or a strong password. This place also, or this user profile, gives you the chance to see the specific user's password length or strength. So with my weak password, I really want to make it strong and good password. I'll just go to reset password, pick a new password, and that's it. I have changed my password. Now you can see it's 15 characters password and it's became a strong password. So this is something good and something awesome. So one small thing is left on this section here, which is forcing the user to change his password on the next login. So that option is found in the account group. We open account and then we scroll a little bit down, and there it goes. Once we put a checkbox on require user to change password at next login or next sign in, once the user signs in, he will be required to change his password. Actually, I'm gonna do it with you. So let's save it. And I will sign out here. Now I will type my password, and there we go. It's now asking me to change the password on the next login. So that was easy process really. There's nothing into it. The other location where we can monitor our users' passwords is in the security page, and this is it, the password monitoring section. It will give us a good look at what our user's password strength. Of course, to be able to see the password strength and length, the user has to sign in to his account. None of these accounts I actually logged in with, so the information is not available. Only the admin account I used. This is really a nice and good view, so you can take a quick look on your user's password status and take action based on any weak or bad passwords that you see. The next topic is going to be a very interesting one, because we will see how we can assign permission and delegate tasks and roles to our IT team. We will use the pre-built roles and we will create our own custom roles. I will show you how it's nice and easy to create custom roles. So until then, I hope this was informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for viewing.